Hello everyone, my name is Irina Terabi. I'm the student of Kharkiv National University of Radio Electronics, and I'm presenting my work about current trends in the art book market in Ukraine. The art book market of Ukraine is still growing despite a sharp decline in 2022 because of full-scale war. In 2023, publications increased by 73% and print runs by 203%, followed by a further 21% growth in 2024. Although art books remain a niche product, their popularity is rising due to demand for high-quality visual content and the expansion of pop culture events and shops and different audiences. Localized versions of English language editions are popular in Ukraine. The most well-known modern art books have been published in Ukrainian language. Original art books in Ukraine are often illustrated by different Ukrainian artists, and proceeds from their sales can be directed towards charity or funds supporting the army. For example, the art book Ukrainian Bestiary was published in Ukrainian and English, and 100 artists participated in its development. Publishers often release original art books with special bonus items: stickers, cards, pins, maybe booklets, creative bookmarks, and different other bonuses. Scientific organizations also produce art books to popularize their fields in a more engaging format. For example, this art book, it's called Zorever Across the Universe, contains many illustrations and introductory text about constellations, planets, and other celestial bodies. More than 100 Ukrainian artists participated in the creation of the illustrations, while the texts were developed by the Clear Skies Foundation, which organizes scientific and educational projects aimed at advancing Ukrainian astronomy. In conclusion, art books in Ukraine have established themselves as a stable segment of the publishing industry with a dedicated audience. The market is experienced a gradual growth due to the increasing audience interest, as well as the development of pop culture events, geek stores, specialized niche publishers, and significant numbers of Ukrainian art books are original. They're being produced in Ukraine in collaboration with artists and scientific organizations. Thank you for your attention.